In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Chart View in QuickBooks Online Advanced. If you have ever wanted a clearer visual picture of your report data, Chart View is the feature you are looking for. Instead of only reading rows and columns, you can switch to a chart so trends and comparisons are easier to spot at a glance. Let us walk through it slowly so you can follow directly in your QuickBooks Online Advanced account. First, go to Reports. You will usually find this option in the main navigation menu. When you open the Reports area, you will be taken to a section where you can access many different reporting tools. Take a moment to ensure you are in the correct area, because Chart View works inside Reports, not on the dashboard by itself. Next, click the Performance tab. This tab helps you narrow your view to reporting options focused on performance, which is often where chart visuals are most useful. On screen, you should see the Performance section, with the relevant report selection available for you to choose from. If you see multiple categories, just make sure you are staying within Performance, so you are using the right context for the chart. Now click the chart icon or use the Switch to Chart button located near the top of the report. This is the key action that changes how the report is displayed. Look at the upper portion of the report window because the control is positioned near the top for quick access. When you select the chart icon or click Switch to Chart, QuickBooks will attempt to display the information using a chart format. If you do not see it immediately, scroll slightly within the report area to confirm the top toolbar is visible. After you switch to Chart View, you can adjust how the chart is presented. This is important because different chart styles can make different kinds of information easier to understand. For the next part, use the Quick Add Chart Type dropdown to switch the chart type. The dropdown is designed to let you change the chart visualization without having to leave the report. As you open that dropdown, you will see multiple chart options. Choose the one that best matches the goal of your review. For example, if you want to view how values change over time, a chart type that emphasizes trends is usually most helpful. If you want to compare categories more clearly, choose a format that highlights comparison. Once you select the chart type, the report should update to reflect your new chart style. Keep in mind that chart types can affect what you notice first. That is why it is worth spending a few seconds testing the options you see in the dropdown. If your report updates immediately, you can compare the results side by side in your mind and decide which chart type makes the data the clearest for you. At this point, you have successfully used Chart View inside QuickBooks Online Advanced. You navigated to Reports, entered the Performance tab, switched the report display using the chart icon or switch to Chart Control, and then used the Quick Add Chart Type dropdown to change the chart style. With those steps complete, you can comfortably review your report information in a way that is easier to interpret and more visual. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.